Now, I grew up making Hornsby railways and Lego, and one of the things I used to love about my Hornsby railways was the fact that I could add lots of little accessories to it that really gave it life. Those kind of things were the obvious things like signal boxes, signals, traffic lights if you're doing a more modern railway, and then there were the kind of random buildings, the little huts you would get everywhere, the outhouses, and constructions such as this one you're seeing here. I'm calling this one an emergency station because it's got fire extinguishers, there's an emergency phone, and we've got some tools for dealing with spillages such as a shovel, there's a wrench in case the train breaks down, and an axe because you never know when you're going to need an axe. I think it's a very attractive little build, so I'm going to show you how to make this one and how you can make it your own. So to put this together, these are the parts I'm going to use, and this is just to do the frame. Remember, you can add whatever you want to finish this off, and I'll show you how I finished mine. But to build the main frame, we'll first of all start with a 4x10 grey plate. This is the base. You can again use a different colour. We're going to tile over some of this. I've got a 2x8 red plate. I'm going to use that as my roof. I've got one 1x6 and one 2x6, which is going to be for the tools and the back. I've got two of these flat hinges. We've got three of these small clips, which is what the tools are going to go into. Two 1x1 wedges, fiddly little suckers. I've got two of these pieces with the stud on the front and the hole on the back, and then three of the similar one, but they're flush on the front, no hole on the back, and then three 1x1 bricks, and then just some tools, a phone, and two translucent pieces that I'm going to use for the lights. So let's start off with the base. First of all, going to put two of these 1 bricks on there like that. Then I'm going to put one of the pieces without the hole on it out, facing out like that. That's going to hold our phone. Next, I'm going to put the one with the hole at the back there, facing forward, hole at the back, a single stud on this side, and then again the other one with the hole on that side. Then the last two without the hole, going to go there facing backwards, so this is where the roof is going to attach. Now, this is going to be for the tools, so let's put the clips on there first, just to make it super easy. You can do this afterwards if you want, but I find it easier to do it this way. I'm going to put my tools on there too, so I've got a spanner, or wrench, whatever you want to call it. We've got a shovel because this is a train track, and obviously there's always coal and gravel and stones and things to clear up, so there we go. Now we're going to attach that onto the back here, so using those two holes, there we go, that's now there. Now I'm going to put the two wedges on the top with the high side to the front like that, so that's going to hold the roof at an angle, and we'll do that again on this side. Take our two hinges, one goes here, one goes here. So you can see how those are attached on the back now. I'm going to put my two lights on here, like that. Just put them forward, and now let's put our roof on. Like I said, I use a red one because this is an emergency station, but the nice thing with this is you can actually adjust this model to do whatever you want. It's one of the nice things about this sort of utilitarian design. And then this last piece goes on the back here. Now I just do that for completeness. I think it looks nicer from the front finished with that piece, and then just the phone on the side, and there we have it. So there's our little emergency station. Now just to finish this off, this is how I finished mine off. So I've just got a red and a white stud here. Seems to be a fairly common colour to use on train tracks. You notice a lot of train buffers and things have that. I've got two hydrants, so one's for chemical spills and one is just a normal water fire extinguisher. Now I'm going to put just some greenery over here. just to finish it off, because this is a trackside thing, they tend to get a little bit overgrown. And we'll do the same on this side. So let's put just a bit of weed growing out of the ground there, and here we have some flowers growing, and there is our station, our little emergency station. Phone, tools, got that. I think that makes a rather attractive addition to the side of anyone's train tracks. So let's go and have a look at this running on the track. Let me know in the comments what you think of this little mock, and if you've got any suggestions or improvements, let me know. And if you decide to make your own one, again, send it through to me. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching.